In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Payoneer account to Stripe in just a few minutes. Whether you're setting up payments for your online business or simply want to transfer your funds smoothly between Stripe and Payoneer, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser and go to stripe.com. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. Enter your Stripe account email and password, double-check that the details are correct, and then click Sign In to access your Stripe dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Stripe homepage. This is where you can manage all aspects of your account. From the left-hand menu, click on Balance. This section lets you view and manage your available funds. Inside the Balance section, find the option labeled Add Bank Account. Click on it to begin linking your Payoneer account. Before you continue, make sure you have your Payoneer bank details ready. If you haven't done so already, open a new tab and log into your Payoneer account. There, you can find important details like your account number and routing number. Keep these handy as you'll need to enter them into Stripe. Head back to your Stripe dashboard and carefully fill in your Payoneer bank account information in the required fields. Double-check that every detail is accurate. Even a small error can cause delays or failed transfers. Once you've verified everything, click Add Bank Account again to finalize the connection. To make the process smoother, ensure you have a stable internet connection and that both your Stripe and Payoneer accounts are verified and active. Doing this in advance can help you avoid any unnecessary verification issues. After completing these steps, your Payoneer account will now be successfully connected to Stripe, and that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to connect your Payoneer account to Stripe easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.